Hello everyone, I'm Martin from Topsharp. We are factory in Shenzhen, China with BSCI and ISO9001 audit. Today I'd like to introduce this project, model HF360 to you. First, let's listen to the sound of this product. You will feel very silent at the first speed. So the first feature of this project, it has a very silent sound. When you are asleep at night, you will feel very different from others. And the sixth feature of this project is that it has a light that you can open it, you can turn on it when you are reading at night, like this. And the third feature of this project is when your friends use it and you can turn on the rotate button. And then you can use it with your friends together. And the next feature of this project, if you don't use it and you can fold it up on the desk or other place like this. And the next, it can support micro and Type-C charger. And at the end, if you found the fan blade is dusty, and you can open the front cover and to clean it. So for such performance project, it's not $40, not $30, not $20. Please make an inquiry to us. We will give you the best offer. Thanks.